Hello everyone, welcome back to my Sherry studio. I have to tell you that recently I saw a couple of cards with beach umbrellas and I really love them. I decided that I would like to have my own too, but I don't have stamp, I don't have dye, so I have to make it by my own. So I will make my own umbrella and then I will prepare a background for it, and it's going to be a beach with sand and water waves. I'm starting with a circle, and then I will divide it by 8, and that is going to be my umbrella. Okay, the sketch is ready, so I think I can prepare the background. I took my distress inks and I'm going to blend the paper with blue and yellow colors. Now I'm going to use my Karin markers. I really love them, and the colors I have it's lime green, Egyptian blue, cool aqua, and magenta red. So I think my umbrella is going to have stripes, so let's make them. You know what? I think something went wrong. I decided that I don't want to have stripes, and I colored all the triangle, but I have to think about it. Yes, that was my mistake. I decided that stripes will be better option. That is why I glue a new triangle to the umbrella, and I will make a new stripes. Now I'm using my Micron fine liners, and I will make black lines. Okay, the last step is to cut the umbrella. Okay, now I want to make the edges black as well, and I need to have a really steady hand. As I'm using distress inks, I decided to spread some water on the paper, and let's see the effect. Okay, I think it looks really cool. Let's get back to the umbrella. I couldn't decide if I want to have stripes or dots, so I'm preparing the third one. As Karin markers are watercolor markers, I'm using some water to blend the color, and I really like the effect. Now I'm pleased. I think that this third version is the best one. I have to organize my card a little bit. I have this nice sign here, life is better at the beach. So I'm going to stamp it in the corner of my card, and then I will attach the umbrella. And look what I have! I'm really happy that I have all of this glitter nail decoration. I have the dots, some circles, I have even letters, but today I think I will use these small circles. Oh, I forgot, I have to add some lines on my umbrella. And I think I will add some white dots. Then the design is going to be full. I have this very thin foam tape, so I will add 2 layers of it, and then I will glue my umbrella to the card. Some time ago I bought also these cute seashells, stars, glitter ornaments, so I think I will add some seashells to the card. And now the circles, I really love them, they are so cute, and I will add them to the water. I think I'm pleased how they are going to look like, so now I just need to glue them to the card. I would like to add umbrella leg as well. That is why I'm using again this black fine liner. Now I'm using brown watercolor pencil and I'm adding some sand. Okay, let's tape the seashells. I think that the white frame is going to be cute and I'm going to add it. That is why I'm using this Jelly Roll White pen. Now I'm preparing a white card base. And I need to stick the card to it. Okay, I think the card is ready and I really like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this card as much as I do. And I decided that I will make some more summer cards, and it's going to be my summer series. So I hope to see you soon in my next movie. Bye!